Here's how to make Ghirardelli chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Make sure to gather all your ingredients before you start baking so it's easier to grab everything right in front of you. You will need 2 bowls, and the first one that we are using will be for the dry ingredients. The measurements I'm using are for 4 dozen cookies, so please use the correct measurements for the specific amount of cookies that you will want to make. Mix all of these ingredients thoroughly and until well combined. The next bowl will be for the wet ingredients. Mix all of the ingredients together until well combined, and then slowly add in your dry ingredients. Once that is mixed thoroughly, measure your chocolate chips and add them into the batter slowly. Place the cookie dough inside the fridge to thicken. Once the cookies are done baking, set them aside to cool, and then grab a plate and enjoy your cookies.